Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to manage in-app notifications in BoldSign. In-app notifications are messages within the BoldSign application that alert users about updates on the statuses of eSignature requests. Managing these notifications helps relay timely information, enhance user engagement, and provide a convenient way to receive updates within the application. This is particularly valuable in scenarios such as project collaboration, where efficient management of in-app notifications ensures that users stay informed about the progress of documents, document status, and important communications. Imagine a scenario where a legal coordinator is tasked with overseeing the signing of a non-disclosure agreement between a law firm and its client. Typically, the legal coordinator would need to keep track of the document status, including whether it has been viewed, signed, or completed by the signer. However, constantly checking emails or requesting updates can be time-consuming and inefficient. With BoldSign's in-app notifications, the legal coordinator can streamline the signing process. First, let me walk you through the correct way to initiate the signing process as a legal coordinator. The first step is to access the BoldSign application page. Here, click the Create New button and select Create New Document. This action will take you to the Prepare Document page, where you can upload the non-disclosure agreement in the Add Files section. Next, enter the client's details in the Add Recipient section, and add the internal manager's details as the CC recipient. Once that's done, review the remaining sections and click the Next button, which will take you to the Configure Fields page. Here, drag and drop the name and signature fields for the client's name and signature. After reviewing your changes, send the document out for signature. In our scenario, it's essential for the legal coordinator to manage in-app notifications to stay informed about the progress of the non-disclosure agreement. On the BoldSign application page, you'll notice the notification icon, which displays the number of recently added messages since your last access. When you click the notification icon, the number disappears, and you gain access to the notifications. In the Notifications pane, you'll find a list of all messages. You will receive an alert that the non-disclosure agreement has just been sent out for signature. As the client reviews the document, you'll receive a notification informing that the client has viewed the document. After the signer has completed the document, you'll receive another indicating that the signer has signed it. Unread messages are marked with dots. Hovering over the time of each displays the date and time it was received. If the internal manager views the completed document as the CC recipient, you'll receive a notification of this action. You can mark a notification as read by clicking the message. To delete a message from the list, locate and hover over it and click the Clear Mark button. To mark all notifications as read, click the Mark All as Read option. However, to delete all notifications, you must first mark them as read, and then click the Clear All option. It's important to note that the Clear All option is only available when all messages have been read. Additionally, you can perform quick actions such as reviewing signature request documents and viewing the summary of documents whose delivery has failed or expired. The Review Document option redirects you to the signing page, while the View Summary option directs you to the overview page of that particular document. You can also customize the types of messages you receive within the in-app notifications. To do this, navigate to the dashboard page and expand the Settings menu. Choose My Profile, which will take you to the My Profile page. Move to the Notifications section to access and customize them. These are categorized based on the sender, recipient, CC, and template. Here you can customize the notification settings to specify which updates you want to receive when you are the sender, signer, or CC recipient, and then save your preferences. Remember that only the types enabled here will appear in the in-app notifications. That summarizes how you manage and customize in-app notifications in BoldSign. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.